this so that kind of give you a whole bunch of options to work with. So let's go ahead and shuffle up those names like we did before, and then pick a winner. Welcome back to the Workbench and the final day of the 10,000 subscriber celebration that we've been having all week long. So we've had a whole bunch of giveaways leading up to today, and today's the day. Today's the day that we're going to, give away the giveaways and announce the vote for the celebration, the 10,000 subscriber celebration build. So stay tuned for all that. I wanted to start off again because this is the last day. It's the final day of the celebration. Just giving a big thank you to everybody out there, subscribers, not subscribers, the people that just watch the video, just everybody that's been part of this channel throughout the years. It's been a lot of fun. I enjoy getting to know you guys. I've actually made real friends out in the world from this channel. So just a big thank you. I've got so many YouTube friends now, online friends, and real world friends who came from this channel. So I just can't thank you enough. It's been a lot of fun. But that's enough. Enough about all that. Let's keep this one short. Let's just try to get to all the announcements we need to get to for today. We'll have 3 winners today. Like I said, we'll have somebody win the Starbond CA glue. We'll have somebody win the 3D printed parts. We'll have somebody win the 55 Chevy Plus, we'll call it, because it's going to have printed parts along with it also. And then we need to make the announcements for the selections, I guess we'll say, to be voted on for the celebration build. And I think that's what we're going to start with. We'll start with that first, and then we'll do the giveaways at the end here. I don't remember how many. I've kind of written down what I need to work from here. I made a list of all the different ideas, and then I scratched through, went through, picked. This was very difficult, especially because, let me put this out there. I want to run this in a poll in the post. So in the YouTube post, if you go to my post page, as soon as this video uploads, I'm going to also upload a poll where you can pick which one you want to see built, which one you want to win, see built, however you want to say that. Again, the build itself is going to be given away to the winner, plus the entire build is going to be highlighted. They're going to have the title, and the whole build is going to be highlighted about them. So it'll be so-and-so's whatever build, I guess you could say, how you want to say that. Or if you don't want to have that, if you don't want your name attached to it, you can let me know. Anyways, I think I had 11 different ideas submitted, and then I had to whittle it down to 4. So YouTube will only allow me in a text poll to have 4 options. And that was tough. So let's just get to it, though. This is what I came up with. And the first one that I came up with was actually, I think, the first idea left in the comment section, which was amateur scale model build. He suggested the 71 Nova SS from Death Proof, which sounds like a lot of fun to me. 1, it's a cool car. 2, I love doing tribute cars like that. So trying to build a model that looks like a car that actually existed. So that's going to be option number 1, because I think that one would be a lot of fun. I think the next one I got was from Matt Young. It was to do a 250th anniversary, or 250 anniversary of the USA inspired weirdos build, which sounds like a blast. By the way, there was 2 that I went back and forth on this, because I had 250-year anniversary. And I went back and forth which one to include, but I went with the weirdo ones because that sounds like that could be really cool. Because I don't necessarily want to just go, if this one gets picked, I don't think I'm going to go and just get a weirdos kit. I'll probably get a weirdos kit and incorporate it into an actual model kit and turn it into that crazy looking build with the 250th anniversary inspiration. Anyway, so that's selection 2. Selection 3 was from Glastonbury Designs. It was for a 69 Dodge Charger. Actually, it was very long. So let me just summarize it up. It's actually a sci-fi post-apocalyptic inspired 69 Dodge Dart, not Dodge Dart, but Dodge Charger. Sorry. And the reason why I picked this one, why I thought it would be a lot of fun, his idea was because it's a sci-fi or a Star Wars inspired post-apocalyptic kind of build, it would not have wheels and tires, but jet engines. So that kind of sounded like a lot of fun, how could we make that work and make it really cool? So no wheels, but maybe it just hovers, on jets that maybe, I don't know. It sounded really cool to me. So that's going to be selection number 3. And then the fourth and last selection actually came from Mars Garage, who put in quite a few different ideas, but one of them I did pick. I did pick one of yours from Mars Garage, and it's the rusty weathered patinaed shop truck, which I don't think I've really done on this channel in a long time, and I think that would be pretty cool. And plus, we could build, if that's the one that's picked, we could build it as his shop truck because it's going to him. So it would be a Mars Garage shop truck and build it out for him. So that's the 4 selections. So basically, just to run through them real quick again, we've got the 71 Nova from Death Proof. We've got the 250th celebration inspired weirdos build. We've got the 69 Charger that's sci-fi post-apocalyptic inspired, and then we've got the rusty weathered shop truck. So that's the 4 though. And like I said, as soon as this video is up, or actually now, I guess for you guys, there will be a post with those 4, and you can pick which one you want. Or which one you want to see built for that particular person. Of course, if you are that person, probably go vote for yourself, I guess. I don't know. And I guess I do I do want to mention this. I don't know if I get a vote, but if it comes down to a tie or something of that nature, I'll be the final judge. So if there's 2 that tie or nobody votes or whatever, I'll pick, I'll break the tie or however that works. That's what we'll do. Okay. I think that'll be the best way to handle that. Anyways, that's the first one. That's the celebration build. Now let's get to the actual giveaways. Starting with Starbond, which we have the Starbond CA glue. So we have a couple of things of glue. We have the accelerator, and then we have some super glue remover. This is, I don't know the retail value on this. It's probably pretty good little retail value. But so what I've done is I've got a picker, a wheel, a really ugly wheel. I got everybody's name loaded into that wheel. And what I think I'll do is I'll shuffle the names, just give them a good shuffle, and then pick the winner. And so the winner of the Starbond CA glue is Wicked Crafter. So Wicked Crafter, I should mention, down in the description is my email address. Reach out to me via my email down below. Obviously, I'll need to get your address so that I can get these mailed out to you. I also want to mention I'm having decals printed up right now, so there might be a little time till they go out because I want to send some of my decals with this to you guys. So it might be a week or so before these actually get shipped out, just because I want to put in some decals for you also. But hit the down there to the description, my email, and Wicked Crafter, give me your address and I'll get these sent out to you. And what was the next one? Oh, the 3D printed parts. Is that what's next? Yeah. So we've got 3D printed parts. So these parts, and then I think I'm going to add a bunch more to it, along with wheels and tires and that sort of thing. So it'll be just a big old package of parts. And we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to shuffle up all the names, just give them a good shuffle, and then pick a winner. And the winner for the 3D printed parts is Dr. Pineapples, which is maybe the coolest name ever, by the way. But yeah, so Dr. Pineapples wins the 3D printed part package, I guess we'll call it. Again, description down below, email, send me your address, and I will get this stuff out to you as soon as I get the decals in, so I can get some decals in there for you also. But Dr. Pineapples, is that he said? Yeah, Dr. Pineapples, you are the winner of the 3D printed parts. And then the last one, where is it at? I have it down here. The 55 Chevy kit. The 55 Chevy kit plus, we'll call it, because I'm going to print an LS motor and some wheels and tires and some other stuff to go along with this, so that kind of give you a whole bunch of options to work with. So let's go ahead and shuffle up those names like we did before, and then pick a winner. And the winner of the 55 Chevy Plus, I guess we're calling, is Mike's Mods and Customs. So again, Mike's Mods and Customs, congratulations, I guess. And also down in the description, hit that email and get me your shipping address. And then in a week or so time, as soon as my decals come in, I will send all of that out to you. And I think that's it. So we've got our 3 winners. Let's see, I have them over here so I can see. Wicked Crafter with the Starbond CA glue, Dr. Pineapples with the 3D printed parts, and Mike's Mods and Customs with the 55 Chevy Plus. Congratulations, everybody. And again, thank you so much. This has been, I've had a blast with this channel in all of its iterations, from doing gaming back in the, which is all private now, by the way, you can't see my gaming channel anymore, but from doing gaming back in the early days into RC shop stuff, and now into model building and craft building. It's been a lot of fun. Some of you guys have been here since the very beginning, and that's amazing. Leave me those comments down below, by the way. I want to hear from you. If you've been here for a long, let me know how long you've been with the channel. I'd love to hear that down in the description. But thank you to everybody. Thank you for just making this such a fun ride. And hey, let's do this again at 20,000 or maybe in 100,000. I'm going to really start working this channel, especially once we get moved out to the garage. I'm going to start really working hard with this because it's a lot of fun. And I don't mind doing the work. So thank you guys again. Congratulations to all the winners. Be sure and hit the email down in the description. Everybody else, leave me those comments. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, Jim. But what? Do all those buttons everybody tells you to do on YouTube. I've got to start getting this stuff packaged up to be sent out. So I will see you guys on Monday. Bye-bye.